Every day gives us the chance to learn something new and become a better version of ourselves. With this quote, I would like to wishing you a very good morning to one and all sitting here, respected judges, parents, teachers, and my dear audience. So today, I will speak on the topic which will be given by the respected judges. So please give me the topic.
Yes, Nancy, your topic is pros and cons of online learning.
Online learning. As we all know that online learning nowadays are increasing very well because nowadays like those students who are not able to join any competitive for preparing any competitive exam, those who are not able to join any offline classes, they take a wide ranges of courses of online classes because its cost is less and it help us everything where on offline classes can provide us. And in online classes we can choose our own comfort and it's not waste our time like a traveling waste. And sometimes like we can also, if we are not able to attend a live class, we can also take a recorded classes, and in that there is also a recorded section and a doubt section where we can also ask a doubt. And now online learning also provided us DPP mock test by which we can also also practicing for coming exam. But if I talk about if disadvantages, so there are also some disadvantages like overuse of online learning, and if we are indulged in a online learning, so it also make us isolated from the families, friends, and our environment. It also less our physical strength, and overuse of online learning can also issues like our can also impact in our health. Like we can say that it impact on our eyes, sleep cycle, posture, and also sometimes reduce our concentration. But I am saying that online learning is not a good and not a bad. If we are using it wisely, so we can also do better in our life. But we just remain consistency, discipline, focus, and stay connected, and like we should use it properly. So that's all from my side. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. Yes, judges, any question?
Nancy, which learning would you prefer, offline or online?
So me,
Personally.
sir, as I just completing my 12th and I'm preparing for a competitive exam. So I also prefer online because in Khandwa there is no offline classes for preparing, and I also preparing from the online classes, and it is very beneficial for me.
Yes.
Okay. Nancy, very well said. Okay. The question for you is how to have a sense of control. I mean,
Correct.
when you are going online, there are lots of distractions. So it's easy to get carried away. How to have a control over that?
So firstly, if you are attending any online classes, so we should not distract from the notifications, or if any call are coming, so we can also text them that I will call you later, that type. Because if you are learning, so like our focus on just on attending the classes, not on other things. And it is not on, it is very difficult to stay concentrated during online classes. But but we should have to develop this habit.
Okay.